If your store cuts their own fabric pieces, you can use the cut fabric form to manage those pieces. For this lesson, we'll discuss fat quarters, but the same instructions apply to any standard pieces that you cut. Begin by using the search field for a fabric that you want to cut into fat quarters. Double-click the fabric to add it to the list. If there are already fat quarters of that fabric in inventory, they will be shown in the list on the right, as either in inventory or in an assembled kit. If you want to cut pieces for multiple fabrics, you can select several items on the search list and click Use Selected Rows. Next, select one or more rows from the selected fabrics list. Then, select the type of cut pieces you want to make. Enter the number of pieces you will be making for each selected fabric. If you want to be able to track these specific pieces in your inventory, select Specific Subproduct from the Assign To dropdown. This will create a new subproduct in the product registry for each fabric and piece type combination. Alternatively, you can just assign it to one of the generic cut piece products that you have defined. Enter the price of an individual cut piece, then click the Add to Cuts List button. Each of the selected fabrics will be added to the cuts list. If needed, you can change the Assign Piece To, piece type, and price for the individual rows. Click the X in the first column to remove a row from the cuts list. When the cuts list is complete, click the Make Cuts button. If you click OK on the confirmation, the inventory will be adjusted to reflect the cuts. The inventory of the main fabric products will be reduced, and the quantities for the cut pieces will be increased. If you want to create labels for all the pieces on the cuts list, click the Print All Labels button. To print labels for specific pieces, select the pieces, then click the Print Selected Labels button. Finally, to create a summary of all the cuts to be made, click the Print Cut List button.